Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable NordVPN connection on iPhone with smart rules. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the NordVPN app. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store. Once installed, tap the NordVPN icon to launch the app. Log in using your NordVPN credentials. Upon logging in, navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Scroll down until you find the Smart Rules option. Tap on Smart Rules to access its settings. Enable Always On to ensure your VPN is connected whenever you're online. You can also toggle on App Rules to specify which apps should use the VPN. Choose specific apps by tapping on them in the App Rules menu. Select Connect for each app you want to route through the VPN. After configuring, return to the main screen of the app. Tap on the Quick Connect button to establish your VPN connection. Once connected, you will see the VPN icon in your iPhone status bar. You are now securely connected to NordVPN with Smart Rules enabled. To modify any rules later, simply return to the Smart Rules settings in the app. Enjoy a safer browsing experience on your iPhone with NordVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.